Hi, hope you all are in peace. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Starting off with this page of cool girl drawing that I did, but my camera wasn't recording, so I couldn't get this part. So I am just gonna show you how it went. I did have a lot of fun doing this using just one pen or a marker that we use for school. First, I did this girl with long hair and a girl with wet hair, a little portrait of her, and this girl with a crazy expression. I am glad I got the expression right. And this girl with her bag, and this one. Actually, the dress didn't turn out good, so I did this kind of puffy shirt. So there we go. I am pretty happy with this one. It didn't take a lot of time and effort, but still it turned out pretty good. So moving on to the next page. Again, I am gonna try to draw a bunch of cool girls. Hope these are cool. So I started off with a circle and drawing two ellipses inside of it to try to give it a professional touch. Then I drew equally spaced lines like this from the center line. The first line is gonna be for the eyes, and for this portrait I had an idea of closed eyes with big eyelashes, so I'm just drawing it real big. And then the lips, I was just going with the flow, not thinking of what it is gonna turn out to be. And I used this reference line for everything. The features were done. Then I went for the face shape. I was just like not going in a particular order for the portraits. Sometimes I'm just doing the expressions first, the features. Sometimes I'm doing the face shape, sometimes I'm doing the hair. That's what I do whenever I draw. So this time I tried to draw the features. So for the hair, I just want it to be very healthy and with a lot of layers, but it's not turning out good. So I just drew random lines here and there, tried to add a lot of layers and messing up at some places, but that's okay, it's still gonna turn out good. The face is looking a bit odd for me, and but that's fine. That's the learning process, I guess. Then I went over and over the hair again, taking my time, trying to fix it, and this is the best I could do. Moving on to the next portrait, I just went again with doing the oops. I just went again doing the reference lines first, and then this time I drew the face before the facial features. And that's okay, because we should know different ways of doing different things. The portraits can be drawn in any way. You can draw face features first, or the face shape first, or the hair first, anything. This time I wanted to do big eyeliner and big eyes, big eyelashes, and I did draw what I wanted to draw. And I was really following some references from Pinterest and trying to add some of my own spice in it. how cool this looks? The lips are just giving very good vibes here, and it is looking cool. So I then drew the face shape again, um, with darker lines this time, then the neck, and then going for the hair. I was pretty happy with this one. This one wasn't hard, and the expressions are so on point. So I wanted to do some like short hair and adding some kind of volume. This is looking pretty nice. And it was not even difficult. I just added a lot of lines, individual lines, and going from an upward direction. So it looks like the hair are kind of flying in the air. And with this, I am done with my second portrait. Moving on to the third one, I wanted to do kind of crazy expression again. So this time I didn't draw any circle for the reference to add any professional touch. I just simply went with the face shape and then added the facial features. And this time I again wanted to have her winged eyeliner, but with a crazy expression. And there you go. The expressions are again on point and look so good. Then moving on to the hair, I don't want to mess up the hair this time as I did for the first girl. Well, let's just accept the first girl here and get over with that. So drawing her hair this time, I am trying to draw better layers, and it is looking better. It just looks healthy and layered and better. So that's progress, I guess. So I took my pretty time to just went over it again and again. I drew some lines pretty dark and some lines very thin to represent the hair. Like some layers do look pretty dark in the picture and in the real life too, and you can see some thin strands of hair popping out of that. So I tried to capture that. And this time the hair turned out good, and I just left it as is at this point to not mess it up. Now moving on to next portrait. Oh, we are making progress and having a productive day. And this time I again wanted to draw the circle with lines to use as a reference for the portrait. So first drawing the eyelashes, the eyes, and then the nose, and so on. And I was like pretty not sure what I'm gonna draw with this one. I was trying to follow my own idea, and I was pretty scared for this, but I again played safe with the eyes, that I did a lot of eyelashes. Eyelashes always look good, so I did. I did draw her lips pretty large for the face features, the eyes and the nose, and then the face shape was just so thin. But I referred this to as a modern girl. So let's just accept this one too. And there it is again, wet and short hair look. I'm not really obsessed with these, but it was just a coincidence. Um, so I tried to save that by adding the lines, whatever we say. Next, I wanted to draw just the eyes and trying to draw kind of the anime eyes or cartoonish. So I picked up a reference from the Pinterest again and I drew this one, and it was pretty easy and it turned out pretty good. So hope you like it too. Of course, the shadings do make everything look artistic. So it is doing the same thing here. I'm drawing a big eyeliner look and the eyelashes. And see, the eye turned out so good. Adding the eyelids and some shadings and some enemy lines and some more shadings. I took my time and put my brain into it too to think for myself. And then the nose, a little nose and then lips, I wanted to just leave it there, but it was just looking so unfinished, so I added another eye and it was good decision. And this time I dropped the eyeliner like this and then added the eyelids, eyelashes, and eyebrows, and see how it went. It looks pretty good. And I'm happy with this too. Well, feels like it's a happy day. And at this point, I was thinking that I am actually obsessed with long hair, and there's no long hair girl here. So I just wanted to add a representation of long hair girl, and I thought it would be cool to not add facial features, just the face shape and messy hair with a long braid. So I tried to add the braid. It is not so perfect, but it does look like a braid when you look at it. It's such a thick hair and thick braid, just as how I like it to be. And I think it is a happy day. I am happy with this one too. I added some shadings and some very thin lines to really make it look like hair. And it does look like hair. And I tried to make it look like the girl has like layered cuttings. Some of the hair are just out of the braid and making it look messy. And there you go, it's done. Hope you'll like it. Thanks for watching and bye.